Hi students, in this video we will discuss about a function called fgetc. So this fgetc function is used for reading a character from a file. At a time it will read only one character from a file. So the syntax for this function here is, so int, this is the return type of the function, that is it will read one character from the file to which the file pointer is pointing. It will read the character and that character will be returned, and at the end of the file, suppose if there are no characters, if this is the end of the file, then it returns a character called, or a macro called end of file character. It will return, that is eof will be returned. At the end of the file it will return eof. So fgetc, we need to pass one file pointer here, that is to which file it is pointing. From that it will read one character and it will return that character. If it is not, if that character is not equal to end of file, then so after reading, automatically this file pointer will point to the next character. Now let us see one example. Actually here what happens, so we will write one program to read data from a file and display onto the screen. Instead of only one character, all the characters I want to read from the file and I want to display it onto the screen. Here I have a file pointer called file star fp, then open a file, so fr, which is used for opening a file pointer. So use here a function called fopen. So in the previous video we have created one file called hello.txt. We will read the data from that file and we will display it onto the screen. So now we need to open a file in which mode? Read mode we need to open. fr equal to hello.txt, then we are opening a file in read mode. Now, so sometimes if the file is not available, tell me what happens. If fr equals to null, it will return null. Then if it is null, when it will happen? If it is unable to open. When it will unable to open? If the file is not available with this name. I will show you in example also. So you need to display one message, printf. So what is that message? Sorry, unable to open a file. Sorry, unable to open a file. So if you are unable to open a file, just terminate the program. So exit, by using exit function we are terminating the program. Now you can see here output, sorry, unable to open a file. So use here hello2. Hello2 is available in our directory? No, it is not available. So if you run your program, so it displays the message, sorry, unable to open a file. Run your program. So what is the file pointer here? fr. Now run your program. So you can see, sorry, unable to open a file. Why? Because file is not available with that name. Suppose if the file is available, so hello.txt. So see, now simply I am displaying one message called OK, success. So now save your program. So whatever we write, that message will be displayed. OK means file is opened. So if file is opened, what I want to do? I want to read the data from that file. I want to, suppose let us assume that here we have a file with the name hello.txt. Some data is available inside this file. Now file pointer is pointing to a file. This file pointer fp, it contains the address of this particular file. So this file pointer, it will pointing to this location. So initially it is pointing to the first location, that is zeroth location we will call. Whenever we try to read, it will read the next character, that is the first character it will try to read and it will return. After reading, automatically the file pointer will be incremented. So here we will take the help of a function called fgetc. So here fgetc of fp. Tell me what it will do. It will read one character from file and that character will be stored in a variable called ch. Then you display that character. Printf %c comma ch. That character will be displayed onto the screen. Now we are reading only one character. Now first of all, let us see what is the content available in the file. So here we have hello, open with notepad. Okay, so what is the content available? Hello students, prepare well for exam. Then okay sir, thank you. This was the message we have written earlier. Now it will read the data from that file. So how many characters it will read? Only one, first character. What is the first character in that file? H. So it will read that character. So there is a file pointer fr. So compile and run the program. So you can see H. It is reading only one character. So I want to read all the characters from the file. So just apply one loop here. While ch equal to fgetc of fr and not equal to, if ch is not equal to end of file, you enter into this block. So increment and all is not required because automatically after reading the character it will be incremented. Now you can see here move, right. So save your program. Now tell me what happens. So first it will read one character. So fgetc of fr, it will read one character from the file and it will store in ch. Let us assume the first character is h. Then it will compare h not equal to end of file, yes it is not equal, enters into this block, then displays h onto the screen. As it is a loop, again it comes here. Now it reads the next character, second character. What is that second character? E. E not equal to end of file, yes enters, E will be displayed onto the screen. Then similarly L, L, O, the complete content will be displayed, and at the end of the file the character will be EOF, then it comes out of the loop. Now whatever the data is there in that file, now if I run the program, you can see that data on screen. What is that? Hello students, prepare well for exam. Some message, okay sir, thank you. So whatever you write, now inside this file I want to write some more data. Inside this file I want to write some more data. So here, so I want to write something like hi, hello, how are you? Some data I am writing to this particular file. Apart from that, now if you run this program, it will read the complete content from that particular file. Now run your program. So whatever you have added, even that data will be displayed onto the screen. This is how to read the data from a file and display onto the screen. Okay, now so thank you for watching. See you in next video.